In this tutorial, you'll learn how to organize your Google Calendar events using categories and labels for clearer scheduling. First, select the Import option from the drop-down to access more calendar management features. Then quickly choose to create a new calendar so you can start organizing events by category. Next, enter a name for your new calendar in the Input field to make it easy to identify and separate different event types. When you've finished naming the calendar, click the Create Calendar button to add it to your list and keep everything organized. Scroll through your calendar options to review existing calendars and locate the one you just created. Now, select a date on the calendar and toggle Additional Calendars, such as holidays, to control what's visible when planning your events. Choose a color for your calendar category so your events stand out visually. Select an event's time block, then click the date input to update when the event occurs if needed. Set your appointment time using the drop-down menu, and fine-tune start and end times to fit your schedule precisely. Click Save to confirm your changes and lock in the event details. Select the new category from the drop-down to label the event by its type or purpose. After that, use the default visibility and busy status menus to control who can see your event and when you appear as unavailable. From here, set the visibility to public if you want the event to be accessible to everyone. Add a notification if you need a reminder before your event starts. Click Save to update your event with all the new labels and options. If you want to categorize another event, simply pick the new category option from the drop-down again. If you make a mistake, just click the Undo button on the notification to reverse your last change. You've learned how to enhance your Google Calendar with categories and labels for better event organization.